Welcome to our lecture on dissection terminologies. This is essential knowledge for anyone studying anatomy and biology, especially in senior high school. Dissection terminology provides a universal, precise language used across science and medicine. It reduces ambiguity when describing the body's structure and location of features. The need for precise anatomical language cannot be overstated. It ensures everyone is on the same page, from researchers in a lab to surgeons in an operating room. Before we proceed, we must establish the standard anatomical position. This is the universally accepted reference point. Standing erect, feet slightly apart, palms facing forward. Now let's explore directional terms. These terms describe the relative positions of body parts to one another, making descriptions clear and consistent. Anterior or ventral refers to the front of the body, while posterior or dorsal refers to the back of the body. Superior or cranial means toward the head or upper part of a structure. Inferior or caudal means away from the head or toward the lower part of a structure. Medial is towards the midline of the body, while lateral is away from the proximal and distal are used mainly for appendages. Proximal means closer to the point of attachment or the trunk of the body, and distal means farther away. Superficial refers to structures closer to the body surface, such as the skin. Deep refers to structures farther internal, like internal organs. Understanding directional terms leads us to planes of dissection. These are imaginary flat surfaces used to slice the body or an organ for viewing internal structure. A sagittal plane divides the body vertically into right and left parts. If it passes directly through the midline, it's called a median plane. If it's off-center, it's parasagittal. A transverse, or horizontal plane, divides the body into superior and inferior parts. This is often referred to as a cross-section in anatomical images. The frontal or coronal plane divides the body vertically into anterior front and posterior back parts. Finally, we classify the body into major regions and cavities, which house and protect internal organs. Major body regions include the head, neck, thorax, abdomen, and pelvic areas. Each region is further subdivided for more detail. The main body cavities are the dorsal cavity, containing the cranial and spinal cavities, and the ventral cavity, including the thoracic, abdominal, and pelvic cavities. We have covered a lot of important terminology today. Let's summarize and understand why mastering this language is so crucial. Using proper terminology is the foundation for all your further studies in anatomy, biology, and any future medical field. It is a language of precision. Remember the anatomical position, the main directional terms like superior and inferior, and the planes of dissection. Keep practicing, and you'll master them.